Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I use sugar to create a sheet, like sugar sheet technique. So I'll show you guys how I do that. And also, if today is your first time coming across one of my videos, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel, share and comment down below. Okay guys, let's start. I'm so happy. In here I have my sugar. I have two colors here. I don't even know which one I'm going to use. Okay, let me use the pink one. And I have my corn. This is actually corn syrup. You can also use any syrup you want to use, but this I normally use corn. And I have my bag. So now I'm going to pour my sugar inside this bag and add my color. This is it. And mix the color together. That's it. And I'm going to open it. And put 2 spoons of my syrup. Okay, and flip the back now. Yeah, I'm going to mix that. This is it. So I'm going to add another 1 spoon of syrup on it. So that makes it 3 spoons of syrup. Guys, there are some other easy way for you to mix it properly. You can as well put this syrup in the microwave for it to be warm, then it will now become liquid. You can as well put this in a bowl and put the syrup on it and mix it with your hand, but I just prefer mixing it in a bag. So it's up to you which one you prefer to do, which one works for you. I'm used to putting it in a bag. You have to mix very well until you become a sandy texture. Guys, I mixed it now. I'm going to take my baking paper. This is baking paper. So I'm going to be pouring it on my baking paper. Guys, you see, it's a sandy texture now. You see the way it looks. So that's how it's supposed to become. Guys, do you see it? That's how it should be. Oh, yeah. So now I'm going to put another baking paper on top of it and roll. And make sure you didn't roll it too thin, guys, because if you roll it too thin, it's going to get break. So make sure it's a bit thick. And always check what you are rolling as well. Yeah, guys. So yeah, so if you find out that there is a space there, so you just bring them in together. So that is it, guys. So I'm going to leave it for like an hour for it to get dry. You can as well put it in the oven. After leaving it for an hour, you can put it in the oven for a very low heat, very low heat for 10 minutes and bring it out. But me, I'm not going to put it in the oven, so I'm just going to allow it to dry. Sometimes I do put it in the oven, because sometimes when I put it in the oven, I just forget myself and it will just get spoiled, get burned and very strong. So I don't want to do that, so I'll just let it dry. So guys, see, it's dried now, so see the way it is. You see I can raise it up. Turn it around this way so that you see it. You see the way it is. Okay, I can raise it up, so that is how it will now become like a silicone, or would I say like a plastic. So now I'm going to cut off the edge so that it will have a very sharp edge. I'm just doing it to show you guys. Normally, if I want to cut off the edge, I just mark it so that it will be straight, very straight and sharp. So let me show you guys. So that's how it is. And now I will show you guys. So I'm going to put it here for you guys to see. This is not a cake, it's actually a dummy. So I use it to do some of my cake pictures, like cake design pictures. So yeah, I'm just going to put it here to show you guys the way it looks, so that you know what I'm doing. So I'm going to use water just to put at the side so that it can stick. Okay guys, yeah, so that is there. I'm going to take this away. So guys, so that's it how it looks. I'll show you guys now. I don't want to stick it properly because I use this my dummy for some pictures, so I don't really want to stick it, because if I stick it properly it will be hard for it to fall off. So I'm still using my dummy for pictures, guys. So yeah, that's the body, that's the way it looks. You see this place is coming off because I did not stick it properly. So that's how it looks. So now I'm going to use my metallic color to do the edge. You don't really need to cut the edges. It's up to you what type of design you want to do with your cake. But sometimes I do cut the edges and sometimes I don't. You guys can see it. I put it on and I paint the edges with any color that I want to do. That is it. I've bent the edge. So I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm supposed to stick it, but like I said, I don't want to stick it because I use my dummy for pictures. That I use gold. You can use any color to decorate it. I just use gold to show you guys. So I use any color I want to use. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think about it, and if you want me to do any particular design of sugar sheet, and I will do a video of it if I can. Okay guys, I'm done. See the way I did mine. So if you want to try it out at home, just try it. It's not very hard, but you just need to handle it with care. You can see different type of cake, different type of sugar sheet. You can just see on the screen here. So you see the design that you can make with sugar sheet. You can do any design, any color, anything you want to do. You can paint the edges, and if you want to paint the edges, so you can leave the edges. If you don't want to paint the edges, you can actually do anything you want to do with sugar sheet. But you really need to be careful, because if you are not careful, you just break and it will start tearing apart. So you need to be careful and handle with care when you're doing it. Okay, and my shout out for today's video, I'm doing a two shout out for two amazing people. One is Bon Appetit Georgette. So YouTube channel is going to be on the screen. She's an amazing sister. She's the one that comments first on my video, my last YouTube video. She has had to make ginger silicone luster. Oh my god, when I watched the video, I was like, I wanted to like start eating it through my phone. Okay guys, yeah, please guys, you supposed to support her. She's amazing. So, and the second shout out goes to the MimisfoodTV. She's an amazing sister as well. You guys can see she has amazing recipes. You put you check her out. Be like the assorted meat pepper soup that she did. It's really good. It's really good. You put you try her out. It's really good. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I will see you on my next video. It's lovely. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always coming to my channel to watch my video. Love you guys. See you on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment and share if you like this video. Bye.